Hey, how's it going, guys? Just wanted to make a quick video and a demonstration of my homemade side mount door opener. So basically I have pretty much a car wiper motor. It's a 24 volt motor, but I'm currently running it at 12 volt just to get the slow speed out of it. I got a 11 tooth sprocket on the drive, 36 sprocket on the crank shaft. It is a spring assist door, so it really makes it easier on the motor. I'm using just a small magnetic reed switch for the door close and a roller arm type limit for the door open. Seems to work very good. For the controls, basically I have a open and close button, 12 volt or 120 to 12 volt DC power supply, and a little control board. You don't need this, but I made this board a while back. It's basically a programmable logic controller just to get the forward and reverse and have the limits come into all one board. Fuse for the controls. I actually have some leads down here for battery. I mean, just in case the power's out, you can run it on a battery, and that's what this relay does here. When the power's out, it'll switch over to battery power. But I don't have the battery installed right now, so here's a quick demonstration. Hit the up button or open button. If you hit that same button, it'll stop. Close. It'll hit that limit. Boom. Yeah, I think it's pretty sweet. Nothing like a side mount, no overhead door in the way. Works good. Thanks.